Got these garden beds here, and I'm going to suck out the irrigation to them. It's beginning to become a little cold and fall's setting in. So a few years ago I tried blowing all these irrigation lines out, and it was good, but it didn't get out the water. So today I'm going to try using a vacuum. I've done this the last few years and it was able to pull out all the water. So what I've done is hook up this vacuum, and here's the line. It goes under the ground and it goes to all these garden beds. There's a lot of them in this yard. So anyway, I'm gonna suck out the water. I've hooked up this shop vac, and I'm gonna turn it on and see what it does. I've also come to this furthest point. Everything else is closed off, but this one here is open. All right. So that has done a pretty good job. Second round here. Let's see what we get. Still quite a bit of water. Third round. Still water in there. I just kind of do it till it gets dry, basically. I also close off some of these and open up others so it can pull from different areas, just to make sure it's solid. I'm going to open up a couple of these corner ones. I don't know if you can hear me over that vacuum, but this is an automatic solar watering thing. Someday I'll do a review on it. Still water in there, but I'll do this until it's pretty much dry.